Chilly night, the candles bright, first day of December. Everything is turned to pristine white, streets adorned with lights. I remember the snowman, he watches me from afar. He reminds me of you, my shining star. That was the first thing you'd always do. Whenever the first flakes came falling through, you always loved this winter moon. Your favorite season is back, the time to go and ski. On the ice, let's build a snowman, and then we'll decorate. If you want, we'll stay up all night. I'll chase the cold away. I'll be your warmth in this freezing night. Tell me, what do you say? The house without you, it has lost its soul. Has my time of punishment not met its goal? Invite me over for a cup of coffee or tea, and I will bring the biscuits just for you and me. Tell a joke and let us laugh until the late afternoon. I'm not allowed to eat the sweets, especially your chocolate soon, but I still love that hot chocolate you make. Your favorite season is back, the time to go and ski. On the ice, let's build a snowman, and then we'll decorate. If you want, we'll stay up all night. I'll chase the cold away. I'll be your warmth in this freezing night. Tell me, what do you say? What I feel for you is not just simple crush. It's not just mere feeling, a momentary rush. I truly love you no matter how long the distance may be. You always reside right here within the heart of me. Your favorite season